In front of me is OnePlus Nord 6, and today I would like to show you how you can enable Suggestion Strip at the top of your Gboard. If you don't have a Suggestion Strip, all you need to do is go into Settings and scroll all the way down to tap on System and Update. After entering those sections, we need to find Keyboard Settings. To do that, select Input Method, Manage Keyboards, and Gboard. Following that, after finding those settings, choose Corrections and Suggestions to scroll and use gray switcher next to Suggestion Strip. When it turns blue, you can go back and launch your keyboard. As you can see, Suggestion Strip was successfully enabled. Quick tip, now thanks to it, when you click on gear icon, you will get access to those settings right away. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!